Hello there, welcome to Easy Classes. In this video, I'm giving 4 simple steps that will help you to fix the USB device not recognizing error for your USB drives on Windows 10 or 11 devices. Yes guys, don't worry, we can easily fix the problem that USB device not recognized error. Before jumping to the tutorial, I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Guys, this is how you can support me. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. As a first step, go to the Windows search bar and search for Run. Then hit enter. Here you need to type devgmt.msc. Then hit enter or OK. You can see that the device manager window will pop up. Here scroll down, then find Universal Serial Bus Control. Expand that by double clicking on that. Then you need to find USB root hub. Right click on that, then select update driver. Then hit search automatically for drivers if you have connected with internet and hit OK. If you don't have connected internet, select the second option. Then select let me pick from a list of available drivers. Then select the module, then hit next. After installation, close the window. Again, find generic USB hub. So this is the driver we have to uninstall. Yes guys, don't worry if you uninstall the driver here. So once you reboot your system, it will automatically reinstall for you. In the most cases, the USB device not recognized error will be solved. So right click on that and select uninstall device and hit uninstall. As I told you, after restart your system, it will automatically reinstall for you. So once you again open the device manager, click on the scan for hardware changes. Then you can find the uninstalled drive will automatically reinstall for you. Then find whether the problem is solved or not. If it is not, again open the device manager, right click on the USB hub, then select update driver. Then select browse my computer for drivers. Select let me pick from a list of available drivers. Then hit generic USB hub, which is the latest model in the list. Then hit next. Yes, we have successfully updated the USB drive. Hope this solution will work for you. Then restart your Windows operating system once, then find by connecting the USB device whether it's working or not. If it is still not, then move to the second method, that is Windows PowerShell method. Open the PowerShell by searching PowerShell. You will find Windows PowerShell on the best match result. Right click on that, then select run as administrator and say yes to continue. Here you have to type a command, that is msdd.exe space -id space device diagnostics. Guys, I have also provided this command in the video description. Go up there and you can copy and paste here, then hit enter. It will pop up a troubleshoot wizard for you, and once you connected with internet, you have to follow the instructions. So once you complete the troubleshooting by the Windows, then you can restart your operating system, then find whether the problem is solved or not. If it is still not, then move to the third solution, that is power and sleep settings. Go to the Windows search bar and search for settings. Open that. Then find system. Open that. In the left sidebar, find power and sleep menu. Click on that. On the right side, you will find related settings. Under that, click on the additional power settings. Then in the most cases, you will be selected the balanced power plan. So beside that, click on the change plan settings. Then again, click on the change advanced power settings. Then scroll down the list, then find USB settings. Double click on that to expand. Under that, you will find USB selective suspend setting. Double click on that to expand again and make sure it is disabled. In the most cases it is enabled, so change it to disabled. Then hit apply and say OK. Now close the all windows and restart your operating system. Guys, I hope the problem will be solved. If it is not, it might be the hardware problem, like you have to change the USB ports and try. So that's it guys, this was the quick and easy tutorial for you to fix the USB device not recognized error for your Windows 10 or 11 devices. Let's meet in the next exciting video like this. Till then, bye bye.